Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching and talking about the new Imperial collection by Pink Gellac. So Pink Gellac is actually a Dutch gel polish brand. I've been working with them for so many years. It is definitely my go-to brand when it comes to gel polishes. As you guys know, I always use gel polish on my right hand, so there's always a gel like color manicure on there, and on my left hand I tend to use regular nail polishes only. So yeah, these are the 5 colors that I will be talking about, and of course if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe if you want to stay tuned for more videos and nail related content. So I actually also got sent out a new LED light. This is their medium size. They have a couple of different colors and I was able to get the hot pink one. It is so cute. It is so like adorable to see it standing on my desk, and I think it's been like 6 months or something, maybe even a little longer, that they also sent out a couple of different like swatch sticks or color pops or however you want to call them. So I've got different colored ones, but they also have different shapes, sizes and so on. Usually I always tend to swatch on the clear ones, but more of like a squared edge kind of shape. So to really switch it out for today's video, I really wanted to use their hot pink, like super stiletto-ish shaped ones, which look so cool. Like seriously, I need to get more of those because the shape is just really awesome, and I have actually never had a shape like nail shape myself like that, so I think it's really nice to see color swatched on a different shape nail, if you know what I mean. But yeah, let's just quit the rambling and go into the colors. This first one is called Merlot Red. Now, recording this voiceover, I have pre-recorded this video a couple of weeks ago, so I still had the Holotaco like magnetic collection on my left hand, and one of the colors from this collection, I think it's the violet plum one or violet purple, I'm not quite sure what it's called anymore. I'm wearing that one in this video, but as I'm recording this voiceover I actually am wearing this color, and I have drastically shortened my nails, but that is something that you will see in the next video, or I have already seen if you follow me on Instagram or actually have taken a look at my story posts here at YouTube as well. But Merlot Red is a super nice, very Christmassy kind of red as well. There are a couple of really beautiful reds in this collection, which is also the reason why I decided to wait a little longer to actually do a swatch video on this collection and just put it in my winter nail fast like December video uploads. But as I mentioned, this color is super nicely Christmassy red. It has a really nice shimmer to it as well, which was something that I noticed like editing this video after applying the no wipe top coat. I think it's like the shine top coat or the ultra shine top coat by Pink Gellac that I used, so it doesn't have a sticky layer afterwards, but some of the shimmer from that Merlot red polish got stuck in the brush of the top coat, and after applying that top coat to the 4 other colors, it almost looks like they are not completely creamy and have a little bit of shimmer. But trust me, these colors are completely creamy. Like the 4 colors that I will be showing next, they don't contain any shimmer. There's just like a little shimmer stuck in the brush of my top coat that accidentally got onto the swatch nails of the other colors as well. So yeah, just trust me, just look at me swatching these colors. You can definitely see while using the colored polishes only that there isn't any shimmer in these. So overall, this collection is mostly creamy. There's just one shimmer one. But this beautiful royal red, once again, perfect for Christmas, the holiday season, whether you celebrate Christmas or not. It is really, really beautiful red, very like bluish undertoned. I would say a classic Christmas red, one of my favorite red tones ever. Literally everyone like can rock this tone. It is so gorgeous. It is just stunning to wear. Such a hot color. I love it, love it, love it so much. Even though I don't use a ton of reds, of course Christmas time is just around the corner, and you can definitely use the red tones from this collection for Valentine's Day in a couple of months as well. Then there were two purple tones in this collection as well. The first one is called Deep Purple, and I was really like hassling between this color and the next color to what color I actually wanted to wear on my nails first. Of course, the second purple color one, as you can see right here, and as you will see in a little minute, that is the one that I am wearing right now. But deep purple is, as the name already describes, a deeper kind of purple. I'd say it's a wine kind of purple tone. It is not like super like, oh my, that is like very purple. I feel like it's a little bit more of a grapey kind of purple tone, if you know what I mean. One thing that I really did notice with these colors, or pretty much with a lot of the newer Pink Gellac formulas, is that they are highly pigmented, and because they are so pigmented, the substance is a little bit more thick. So that is something you really want to keep in mind when using these polishes. Apply really thin coats. A little bit goes a really long way. Actually, when applying the Merlot red last week to my nails, I only had to use one thin coat to make it completely opaque. So that is how opaque and highly pigmented these colors are. But yeah, this next color, Violet Plum, is the one that I was wearing in this video. I actually wore this color for over 4 weeks. I kid you not, like my gel polish manicures always last super long, and of course I do apply them on my own long natural nails. Yes people, these are my own nails. I don't do tips, I don't do like poly gels or other like fake nail extensions, if you want to call it like that. For me, using gel polishes, I just do it as a gel polish overlay on top of my own nails. And yes, Pink Gellac actually lasts like at least 4 to 5 weeks on my nails. I do have to say that my nails don't grow that fast, so I do get a long like wear time. If your nails grow really fast and you have like some new growth going on in like 2 weeks, of course you can definitely just switch it up way earlier than I do. But for me, they just last forever. I could just grow them out fully and they will stay put. Like, seriously, this is my favorite brand when it comes to gel polishes. And of course, they just have a really wide range of colors, and they're just really good. I love the pigmentation. As I mentioned, the substance is a little bit more thick lately, which is something that I don't hate. But just use thin layers. Like as I mentioned, a little bit goes a really long way when it comes to Pink Gellac's colored polishes. The fifth and final color from this Imperial collection is called Dove Grey. It is more of like a bluish undertoned gray. I don't feel like this is a color that I will personally use a lot, but I can definitely see a lot of guys and girls out there loving this color this time of year, especially during fall and winter. It is a really nice kind of base color to do nail art on, I have to say. It's a little bit more on the darker side, so if you are not really into darker colors, I can see why you won't like it, but it is so opaque within that first coat already. And here I'm already doing the second layer. It didn't even need a second layer, to be honest, but yeah, it is super opaque. I do feel like it cures a little bit more dark than expected, but nonetheless a really gorgeous color. But this was my full-on swatch and review video on the new Pink Gellac Imperial collection. These colors can be bought as a 5-piece set, but you can always get them separately as well. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I really hope you liked it. Let me know what color is your favorite. Of course, I am digging the reds at the moment with like Christmas coming up and stuff, but these colors can be used all year round if you're into that. As usual, there are no rules to nail art or nail polishes or gel polishes or anything like that. But thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.